Hello, today we will show you our 360-degree rotating faucet suitable for single and double sink, made by stainless steel material and copper valve core, high temperature resistance and corrosion resistance. The surface of the faucet is carefully polished and smooth, anti-scratch and more wear resistant. It opens and closes smoothly, has a longer service life, and can effectively prevent water dripping and leakage. KV pull-out faucet, unlimited access to water outside the sink. The water outlet can be rotated 90 degrees to automatically change the outlet mode. Spring dense waterfall effectively flushes fruit and vegetable. Bubble water is soft and delicate. Pressurized blade water effectively cleans dirt. Free switching between hot and cold water. If you have any questions for home decoration design, please follow us. KV Intelligent Hardware is focused on providing users with smart furniture hardware solutions.